How to fix metal.tv not clipping. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix this issue about your metal.tv not clipping. Now before executing the troubleshooting step, all you have to do at first is to locate your metal.tv icon right here. Now right click in it and then head into properties. Now from properties, switch to compatibility and then take this box here under compatibility mode, run this program in compatible mode for whatever operating system that you use, and then make sure to tick this box here that says run this program as an administrator, hit on apply. Now once you've done that, reopen metal that TV, which is going to be here, locate your settings, and then under recording, go into clip settings. Now from capture clips, make sure that the hotkey that you set up will not conflict on the game that you're using. You also need to make sure that auto clipping is turned off so it will not also conflict with the hotkey that you have created. And that's how you fix metal.tv not clipping.